Close your eyes and think about the last time you put a pair of wireless earbuds into your ears. You probably expected to hear your favorite track, take a quick phone call, or block out the noisy hum of a crowded room. But what if the next pair of earbuds you buy isn't just listening to the world around you? What if it's actually looking at it? What if your earbuds could monitor the electrical impulses of your heart, decode an entirely foreign language in real time, and act as an invisible, artificially intelligent supercomputer that sits directly inside your ear canal? This is no longer a distant sci-fi concept. This is the staggering, highly controversial reality of the Apple AirPods Pro 4. For years, Apple treated the AirPods line as a premium accessory, a convenient sidekick to the iPhone. But behind the secure walls of their laboratories in Cupertino, a massive architectural shift has been taking place. Apple is fundamentally reimagining what wearable technology is capable of, and the AirPods Pro 4 is the spearhead of this terrifyingly advanced new era. It is a device engineered to permanently alter how humans interact with ambient data, spatial computing, and personal health tracking. Today, we are tearing down the marketing secrecy to expose the raw truth of the AirPods Pro 4, diving into the radical hardware modifications, the advanced processing units, and the precise engineering that makes this the most highly anticipated, mind-bending audio device ever conceptualized. To truly comprehend why the AirPods Pro 4 is causing massive shockwaves through the tech ecosystem, you have to understand the secret multi-year roadmap that led to its creation. Apple has historically maintained an unpredictable, highly calculated release cycle for its pro-tier audio devices. Every time the public believes the technology has peaked, Apple drops a massive engineering bomb that completely resets the industry standard. With the AirPods Pro 4, Apple didn't just tweak the acoustic drivers or lengthen the battery life by a few minutes. They looked at the exploding landscape of spatial computing and artificial intelligence and asked a radical question. How do we give an audio device eyes, an advanced brain, and medical-grade biosensors without changing the ultra-compact, iconic footprint that the world recognizes? The engineering answers packed inside this tiny chassis are nothing short of breathtaking. The single most shocking, deeply debated hardware upgrade coming to the AirPods Pro 4 is something the tech world never saw coming. The integration of sub-miniature infrared camera sensors embedded directly into the stems of the earbuds. When this information first leaked from high-level supply chain analysts, the entire tech community was left in absolute disbelief. Why on earth would wireless earbuds need cameras? The answer lies directly in the future of augmented reality and context-aware artificial intelligence. These are not standard cameras designed to snap photos or record videos for social media. Instead, they are highly specialized ultra-low-power infrared sensors designed to scan the physical environment surrounding your body. By utilizing infrared wavelengths, the AirPods Pro 4 can map the physical architecture of the room you are standing in, tracking your subtle hand movements and finger gestures with absolute pinpoint accuracy. If you are a user navigating the digital interface of a headset or interacting with an advanced display, these infrared cameras eliminate the need for heavy, power-hungry external tracking stations. They turn your natural hand movements in mid-air into immediate, zero-latency